If you're into skincare, you've probably seen the word niacinamide all over product labels. But what exactly does it do, and is it really the skin savior it's hyped up to be? From fading dark spots to calming inflammation, niacinamide is gaining serious attention. But before you add it to your routine, let's break down the real science behind this ingredient and whether it's truly worth your time and money. What is niacinamide? Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3, also known as niacin, which is an essential nutrient that supports the health of your skin, kidneys, heart, nervous system, digestive tract, brain, and other organs. This vitamin is naturally found in various foods such as leafy greens, whole grains, lean meats, soy milk, eggs, yeast, and salmon. When the body receives an excess of niacin, it begins converting it into niacinamide. Additionally, the body can produce niacinamide from tryptophan, an amino acid found in many protein-rich foods. In skincare, the lab-made version of niacinamide is widely used in products like moisturizers and serums for its beneficial effects on the skin. Niacinamide versus niacin. Niacin, or vitamin B3, is a water-soluble vitamin that the body requires in small amounts to maintain overall health. Niacinamide is a compound that the body produces when there's an excess of niacin. While both forms offer health benefits, niacinamide is particularly valued in dermatology. The synthetic form is often included in supplements and skincare products used to treat conditions such as acne, hyperpigmentation, and psoriasis. Niacinamide products. Niacinamide has become a popular ingredient in skincare due to its ability to enhance skin health and appearance. It is commonly found in a wide range of products, including moisturizers, serums, sunscreens, creams, lotions, and cleansers. These products are often used to address various skin concerns such as acne, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, psoriasis, signs of aging, pruritus, inflammation. Beyond skincare, niacinamide is also available in supplement form and is being studied for its potential benefits in managing several health conditions including type 1 and type 2 diabetes, schizophrenia, depression, Alzheimer's disease, muscle spasms, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD), arthritis, migraine headaches. Although early research is promising, further studies are needed to confirm its effectiveness and understand how it may work in treating these conditions. How niacinamide supports skin health. While research is still ongoing, current studies suggest that niacinamide offers a range of benefits for the skin. When applied topically, it may help manage conditions like acne and eczema by strengthening the skin's barrier and improving its ability to retain moisture. One of niacinamide's key strengths lies in its ability to help the skin build keratin, a protein that keeps skin firm and healthy. It also helps protect against environmental damage by improving the skin's natural immunity and reducing inflammation. Additionally, niacinamide supports the repair of damaged DNA and helps restore the energy production within skin cells, making it a valuable component in maintaining and repairing the skin's integrity. Niacinamide offers several important benefits for maintaining healthy, youthful skin. One of its key strengths is its ability to reduce the immunosuppressive effects of ultraviolet (UV) radiation. By doing so, it helps the skin combat both external and internal stressors that accelerate the aging process and contribute to skin damage over time. This nutrient also plays a role in regulating pigment production. Specifically, it helps prevent the transfer of melanin within the skin, which can reduce the appearance of brown spots and uneven skin tone. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it effective in addressing skin redness and irritation, leading to a more even complexion and healthier-looking skin overall. Helps manage inflammation. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory effects, niacinamide is commonly used to treat inflammatory skin conditions such as eczema, acne, and contact dermatitis. It works by inhibiting the release of inflammatory chemicals produced by the immune system, which helps reduce redness and irritation. Research has shown that oral niacinamide supplements can reduce inflammation associated with mild to moderate acne. In some cases, it may be a helpful alternative when antibiotics are not suitable or effective. However, in more severe cases, dermatologists may recommend treatments like systemic steroids or retinoids instead. Supports anti-aging efforts. Niacinamide has also shown promise in reducing visible signs of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation. Some clinical studies have reported improvements in skin smoothness and tone with regular use of topical niacinamide. However, the research is still evolving, and findings have not been entirely consistent. For instance, while one study demonstrated noticeable improvements with niacinamide, a separate split-face comparison trial indicated less convincing results. In treating melasma, a condition characterized by dark patches on the skin, 4% hydroquinone was found to be more effective than an equal concentration of niacinamide. Nevertheless, niacinamide remains a valuable ingredient for overall skin maintenance and as part of a broader skincare routine. Minimizes the appearance of pores. Niacinamide is widely recognized for its ability to improve skin texture and reduce the visibility of enlarged pores. When used consistently, even at concentrations as low as 4%, studies have shown that niacinamide can lead to noticeable improvements in skin smoothness, reduced roughness, and more refined pores after about 8 weeks of use. This benefit is largely due to its role in regulating sebum, oil production. By helping to control how much oil your skin produces, niacinamide can minimize the likelihood of clogged pores, which often lead to enlarged pores and breakouts. As a result, skin appears smoother and more even over time. Brightens skin tone. Niacinamide also has promising potential for enhancing skin radiance and evening out skin tone. While research is ongoing, current evidence suggests that it can be beneficial for conditions like hyperpigmentation and skin discoloration. Skincare products formulated with 5% niacinamide may help reduce the appearance of dark spots and brighten dull areas of the skin. For more noticeable results, niacinamide can be paired with other brightening agents such as retinol or vitamin C, making it a versatile option in targeted treatments for uneven skin tone. Potential role in skin cancer prevention. A 2015 study published in the New England Journal of Medicine suggests that niacinamide may help reduce the risk of certain types of skin cancer. In the study, 386 individuals who had previously been diagnosed with non-melanoma skin cancers took niacinamide twice daily for 12 months. Results showed a 23% reduction in new cases of skin cancer among the participants. It's important to note, however, that this study focused on individuals with a history of skin cancer and does not provide conclusive evidence that niacinamide can prevent skin cancer in the general population. If you have experienced multiple non-melanoma skin cancers in the past, consult a dermatologist to determine whether oral niacinamide could be a helpful addition to your preventive care. Effectiveness for acne treatment. Niacinamide is showing promise as a gentle but effective treatment for acne. In a study published in the International Journal of Dermatology, a 4% topical niacinamide formulation performed as well as 1% clindamycin, a commonly used antibiotic, in treating acne. More recent research from 2021 found that combining 5% niacinamide with 2.5% benzoyl peroxide was more effective than using benzoyl peroxide alone. This makes niacinamide an appealing option, especially for individuals with sensitive or dry skin, as it tends to be less irritating than other conventional acne treatments. Niacinamide also helps regulate oil production, soothe inflammation, and reduce redness. In addition to its role in controlling active acne, it may support the healing process by fading post-acne marks and improving the skin's overall texture and barrier function. How and when to use niacinamide. Niacinamide is versatile and can be incorporated into your skincare routine once or twice daily. It is typically applied after cleansing and moisturizing but before sunscreen in the morning. In the evening, it can be used following your cleanser and any hydrating products. Generally, niacinamide is well tolerated and safe for most skin types. However, it is always advisable to perform a patch test before incorporating a new product into your routine to check for any sensitivity or allergic reaction. How to use niacinamide. If you're looking to treat hyperpigmentation and dark spots, niacinamide can be even more effective when used in combination with other complementary ingredients. For instance, pairing it with brightening agents like kojic acid, a natural compound derived from fermented rice and certain types of mushrooms, may help enhance its effects. Here are some well-regarded ingredient combinations that work well with niacinamide. Niacinamide and vitamin C. There's a common misconception that niacinamide and vitamin C should not be used together in the same skincare routine due to potential irritation. However, research shows that these two ingredients can be safely combined for most skin types. When used together, niacinamide and vitamin C can deliver powerful antioxidant protection, brighten the skin, and help reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark spots. This combination can amplify the overall benefits of your skincare regimen. That said, if you have sensitive skin or are introducing a new product, it's always a good idea to perform a patch test first to ensure your skin tolerates both ingredients without irritation. Niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Pairing niacinamide with hyaluronic acid can enhance the overall effectiveness of your skincare routine. Hyaluronic acid helps boost the skin's ability to retain moisture and increases the absorption of niacinamide, allowing it to work more efficiently. While results may not be immediately visible, most people begin to notice subtle improvements in hydration and texture within 4 weeks. With consistent use, more noticeable changes, such as smoother, more even-toned, and well-hydrated skin, are typically seen after about 8 weeks. Niacinamide and retinol. Retinol is a well-known and widely used ingredient in skincare, valued for its ability to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, brighten skin tone, fade acne scars, and improve hyperpigmentation. It also stimulates collagen and elastin production, contributing to a firmer, more radiant complexion. However, retinol can sometimes cause dryness or irritation, particularly in those with sensitive skin or those new to using it. Using niacinamide alongside retinol can be beneficial in several ways. Not only can niacinamide enhance the effectiveness of retinol, but it can also help soothe the skin and reduce the irritation that retinol may cause. This makes the combination an excellent choice for those looking to maximize results while maintaining skin comfort. If you don't see noticeable improvements after a few months, it's a good idea to consult a skincare professional. They can assess your skin's needs and recommend the most suitable products and routine for your specific concerns. Niacinamide supplements. If you have a niacin or vitamin B3 deficiency or are not getting enough niacinamide through your diet, your doctor may recommend taking niacinamide supplements. Your healthcare provider will guide you on the appropriate type and dosage based on your individual needs. For those considering niacinamide supplements to help with acne, combining niacinamide with zinc, folic acid, and copper may enhance its effectiveness. However, it's important to consult your doctor before starting any new supplements, especially if you are already taking other medications or supplements to avoid potential interactions. Niacinamide concentrations. Skincare products containing up to 5% niacinamide are generally considered safe for most skin types. If you have sensitive skin or are prone to reactions from active ingredients, it may be wise to start with a lower concentration and gradually increase as tolerated. The recommended daily intake of niacin is up to 16 milligrams for most people. When it comes to supplements, doses below 35 milligrams per day are typically safe. Still, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the right dosage and ensure it's safe and beneficial for your specific health needs. Niacinamide side effects. Taking very high doses of oral niacinamide, around 900 to 1,500 milligrams per day, can sometimes cause side effects such as stomach discomfort or gas, dizziness, headaches, rash. Topical niacinamide is generally well tolerated by the skin. However, in rare cases, some people may experience mild side effects including itching, mild burning or redness, allergic reactions. If you notice any unusual or persistent reactions after using niacinamide products, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Niacinamide is a powerful ingredient known for improving skin health and addressing various skin concerns. It is generally safe and can be easily incorporated into both your morning and evening skincare routines. If you have sensitive skin or are new to active ingredients, it's best to start with products containing lower concentrations of niacinamide before gradually moving to higher strengths. Should you experience any irritation or adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist. Additionally, before starting niacinamide supplements, be sure to discuss it with your doctor to ensure it's appropriate for you. Niacinamide isn't just another buzzword, it's one of the most well-researched skincare ingredients out there. With benefits ranging from reducing redness to strengthening your skin barrier, it offers results that go beyond the surface. But as with any product, consistency and the right formulation matter. If you're thinking of adding niacinamide to your routine, it just might be the missing piece your skin needs.